Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I created this heart cake. Stay tuned and decorate with me. For this cake, I used two 6 inches heart cakes that were level after they were baked and completely cooled down. For the filling, I am adding this border around the cake. This helps the filling stay inside of the cake. Here, I decided to add another layer of that yummy filling. And after this, I just added the other cake on top. Then I started doing my crown cutting. I tried to do this layer of icing as thin as possible and as smooth as possible. But as you can see, it was not smooth yet. So hopefully I'm able to fix it in the next step. Once it was crown coated, I placed the cake in the fridge for 2 hours. And then right here, I am doing my final coat. So now that I smoothed out the cake as much as I could, I am now doing a border around the cake. And for this one, I am using a Russian tip. To make the second border on the bottom, I'm using right now a tip number 4B. And this one is to make the shells. As you can see, I left a little bit of space in between the cake and the first border. And this one helps the ruffle to be more noticeable. For the top, I'm using the same shell border that I used on the bottom, tip number 4B. Tip number 199 was used to create the second border on top. In my opinion, I think for next time I will use a smaller tip, so maybe tip number 21, just because the border was a little heavy on this cake, but it still looked good. Now I'm doing this leaf ruffle details, and with this one I'm using tip number 70. Now I'm using tip number 21 to make the shells. And to finish this cake, I added these gold pearls. I also added a cake topper just to say happy birthday to the birthday girl. So this is the final cake. What do you think? Would you recreate this cake? If you do, please let me know, and don't forget to follow me, comment, and share this video.